How to change WhatsApp notification light color. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the notification light color for WhatsApp. For that, first of all, you'll need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this chat page. Now here, you will need to tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be able to access this pop-up menu. Now from this menu, you will need to select the settings option. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to scroll down to find the notifications option. Once you locate the notification option, simply tap on it and once you reach inside the notification, here you will be able to see the messages section and under it, here you will be able to locate the light option. You may also scroll down and there also you will be able to find the option light. If you want to change the color of the group notifications, you can simply tap on this light option under this group section. And if you would like to change the light color of your messages, then simply tap on the light option under the messages section. Here I am choosing the light option under messages. Once you tap on it, a menu with various color options will appear. Now from here you will need to select your preferred color and then tap on the OK option. Or if you would like to disable the notification light, then you may also select the None option in order to disable it. Since we are going to change the notification color, here I am going to set it to the purple. Once you have selected the option, tap on this OK option. Now after saving it, it will be applied automatically. This feature is available on Android devices with LED notification lights, and this allows you to personalize your notification for WhatsApp messages and calls. So by following these steps, you should be able to change WhatsApp notification light color. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.